Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare potato wedges. So to prepare this potato wedges, we first need potatoes. So here I have taken 3 big potatoes, large potatoes, and I have cut them like this. I have washed it nicely and I have cut them. One potato should be cut into 8 pieces. First half, that is 2 pieces, again turn and cut uh, half, that will give you 4 pieces, and again half of that half, so 8 pieces. This maida, I have taken 1 cup of maida. This is rice flour, half cup of rice flour and half cup of corn flour. Melted butter, very important ingredient in this recipe. Little bit of fresh coriander leaves chopped. This is garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can also take 6 to 7 garlic cloves and just grate it, or you can take you also use garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Salt as per our taste, and we'll be using oil. So the first step that we are going to do is we are going to boil these potatoes. Friends, since I am using it with peel, the potatoes needs to be washed very nicely, or else it will have that muddy thing when you will eat. So I have washed it and they are all dried now. So I am going to now boil them. Once the water starts boiling, I am going to add these potatoes. We'll boil them till 80% they are done. Be very careful while dropping these potatoes in this hot water. And then we will add 1 tablespoon of salt. One tablespoon salt. We'll cover this so that the extra starch that is present in the potatoes will come out. And now we will boil and cook the potatoes till they are 80% done. Now friends, we'll remove the lid and we'll reduce the flame first. Let's check whether it is done or not. Yes, it is done. 80% it's cooked. So I'll put off the flame and I will take these potatoes out from this water. Again, I'll take out the rest of the potatoes. The potatoes are ready here. Now let's move on to the batter side, which will give this wedges a nice and crispy taste. So first I'm going to add the maida, that is the all-purpose flour, adding the corn flour, rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, friends, you can just grind the normal rice in the mixer grinder and then you can use it. Then we will add the garlic powder, this will give a very nice flavor. We'll add the oregano and the chili flakes, the fresh coriander leaves, little bit of salt, And let's mix first all the dry ingredients together. And as we have added the garlic powder, so we are going to also add this melted butter. One tablespoon of melted butter. After mixing all the dry ingredients, we'll mix water slowly, little by little, and then we are going to make a thin batter. I'll add first little water, then I'll mix it, and then again I will add little bit more water after mixing this. So slowly I'm going to add the water to this mixture. Now I'll add little bit more water. The consistency of this batter should be very thin, friends. Our batter is ready, friends. Now we will take these boiled potatoes and dip it in the batter. Once our oil is heated, we will move towards the batter. As you can see, friends, the potatoes are nicely coated with the batter, and now we will drop them in the oil. The oil should be on medium heat. Do not coat too much of batter, or else it will the taste of the potato will not come in it. Just coat it and then drop it in the hot oil. You can add one more, I think. Let's add one more. Will not disturb this for a minute, so that the batter takes the shape of the potato easily. Then we are going to just fry it for 5 minutes over medium heat. It will become nice and golden. After a minute, we will just turn a little bit. So that it gets cooked from all the sides, nicely fried. So here are the veggies ready, friends. We will take it out in a separate plate. Friends, here is our yummy potato wedges ready. If you have peri peri masala, you can sprinkle on top of this. It will taste very nice. I'm serving it with veg mayo and tomato ketchup. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon.